The work in our videos is carried out by an expert. All explanations, as well as executions, are only a recommendation of the providers. In this video, we would like to explain how to use your blast freezer. When you switch on the appliance, it starts in the main menu. Here you can select the normal operating programs, special cycles, the cookbook, or pre-cooling. Press the Blast Chiller button to display the operating programs. You can now select one of the operating programs. The rapid cooling program operates at a temperature of 3 degrees. Here you can adjust the individual settings, such as temperatures and fans. It is also possible to switch to a time-controlled program. You also have the option of changing the hardness of the program and setting the temperature and fan level of the preservation mode. Before you start the program, the appliance displays the individual phases once again. As soon as you start the program, the information about the temperature and the remaining time is displayed. The blast freezing program works at a temperature of -18 degrees. It is also possible to change the settings here. If you start the program controlled by the core temperature, the appliance now displays both the chamber temperature and the core temperature. With the program duration cycle, you only have the option of setting the chamber temperature and fan speed. Here it is now possible to set up to 4 timers. With the personalized program, you have the option of setting the program completely yourself. You can add up to 3 phases here. The preservation phase is always added automatically at the end.